What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to align your taskbar icons to the left side or center them on Windows 11. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. Open up your settings when clicking on this gear icon in your taskbar, or simply open up your start menu and search for settings. On this window, navigate to Personalization. And here, under Taskbar, select Taskbar Behaviors, where you can change the alignment from center to left, or from left to center. As you can see, this change will take effect immediately. Leaving it on the left side will rearrange the icons like in the older Windows versions. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.